Let's break down cryptocurrency and blockchain technology in a way that's easy to understand. Welcome! So, if you are new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and turn up post notification. So, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. Examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. These currencies can be used to buy goods and services, and can also be traded for other currencies or traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies work on a technology called blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. When you send or receive cryptocurrency, the transaction is verified by a network of computers nodes and added to the blockchain. This process ensures the transaction is secure, transparent, and immutable. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. It's the foundation of cryptocurrencies, but has many other potential applications, such as supply chain management, voting systems, and smart contracts. Here's how it works. Decentralized network. A network of computers nodes that work together to validate and record transactions. Blocks. A group of transactions that are verified and added to the blockchain. Chain. A sequence of blocks that contain a record of all transactions made on the network. Cryptography. Transactions are secured through cryptography, making them virtually immune to hacking and fraud. Key features of blockchain. Immutability. Transactions on the blockchain are permanent and can't be altered. Transparency. All transactions are recorded publicly, allowing anyone to view and verify them. Security. Transactions are secured through cryptography and decentralized networks. Consensus. Nodes on the network agree on the validity of transactions through consensus algorithms. Types of cryptocurrencies. Coins. Native assets of a blockchain network, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tokens. Assets built on top of another blockchain, such as ERC-20 tokens on the Ethereum network. Stable coins. Cryptocurrencies pegged to a stable asset, like the US dollar, to minimize price volatility. Privacy coins. Cryptocurrencies designed to hide transaction details, such as Monero or Zcash. Benefits of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology operate independently of central authorities. Security. Transactions are secured through cryptography and decentralized networks. Transparency. All transactions are recorded publicly, allowing for accountability and trust. Efficiency. Transactions can be processed quickly and efficiently, reducing costs and increasing speed. Now that you have the knowledge of what cryptocurrency is and what blockchain is, here are questions to test your knowledge. Try answering these questions on your own. What is cryptocurrency? Answer. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and is decentralized, meaning it's not controlled by any government or financial institution. How does cryptocurrency work? Answer. Cryptocurrencies work on a technology called blockchain, which is a public ledger that records all transactions made with a particular cryptocurrency. What is blockchain technology? Answer. Blockchain technology is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. What are the key features of blockchain? Answer. The key features of blockchain are immutability, transparency, security, and consensus. What are the different types of cryptocurrencies? Answer. There are several types of cryptocurrencies, including coins native assets, tokens assets built on top of another blockchain, stable coins pegged to a stable asset, and privacy coins designed to hide transaction details. What are the benefits of cryptocurrency and blockchain? Answer. The benefits include decentralization, security, transparency, and efficiency. What is the role of cryptography in blockchain? Answer. Cryptography secures transactions on the blockchain, making them virtually immune to hacking and fraud. Can anyone view transactions on the blockchain? Answer: yes. All transactions are recorded publicly, allowing anyone to view and verify them. How are transactions validated on the blockchain? Answer: transactions are validated through consensus algorithms, where nodes on the network agree on the validity of transactions. What is the difference between a coin and a token? Answer: a coin is a native asset of a blockchain network, while a token is an asset built on top of another blockchain. Congratulations on completing the basics on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. I'll see you in my next video. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, make sure to ask in the comments section and I'll reach out. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. Most importantly, subscribe to show us your support. Peace and love. Bye for now.